And there's nothing wrong with saying that. People act like I'm a racist because I say I want to rebuild Black Wall Street. When I think about Black Wall Street, I think about Chinatown. You got all these foreigners coming over here, putting their resources together, making money, and living independent of the corporate America structure. That's what rebuilding Black Wall Street is. It's moving the black community from becoming dependent on the government, dependent on the religious organizations, dependent on charity. Instead of being so dependent on everybody, why don't you become independent, make your own money, put it back in your own neighborhood? Understand, $1 trillion. Black people have $1 trillion of consumption power. So this is rebuilding Black Wall Street for me. You can have your own dream. This is my dream. Reggie is a builder. He's rebuilding the community that he came from. That's it. Nothing more. If you want to help me get 10 back into your own neighborhood, back into your schools, back into your churches, back into your local YMCAs. If you want to help me do that, it costs $100. The $100 is nominal fee for a commitment. It's to show your commitment. And the organization is called Black Diamonds. Black Diamonds' mission